Fixing the vcomp140.dll error requires an expert look at your shared files. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist, and I'll help repair it for you. This DLL file is the OpenMP Runtime Library for Visual Studio 2015-2022. It allows performance-critical applications to utilize multi-core processors efficiently, handling task scheduling and data sharing between threads. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This problem is best fixed by reinstalling Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Head to Microsoft's official website, download the x86 and x64 Visual C Redistributable packages, and install them. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the vcomp140 file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Keep your personal information safe by avoiding third-party mirrors for the vcomp140.dll, which lack the encryption and security of verified official updates. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing the vcomp140. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest Microsoft Visual C Redistributable resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.